This is the Vasco da Gama Memorial near to Kapat Beach. Welcome to another episode of Tind and Travel. Last week we came to Wayanad for a short visit. Now we are going back to Bangalore, but not through the usual route. We are going through Kozhikode, trying to cover few new places. Started early morning from Kalpata, from my home. Now covered 50 kilometers. The first destination is Kapat Beach. C.H. Mohammed Koya Memorial Bridge connects Atholi and Chemanjeri Panchayat, constructed across Agalapura, a saltwater river. Reached Kapat Beach now. This is located 19 kilometers from Kozhikode town and 10 kilometers from Koilandi. Kappad is locally known as Kappakadavu. We are in Kapat Beach now. Kapat Beach is located in Kozhikode district. Pondicherry is not the only seashore with European history. The Kapat Beach in Kerala is famous that the European explorer Vasco da Gama landed first time in India in 1498. Very beautiful beach, well maintained beach. Entry fee to this beach is 25 rupees. Previously it was 50 rupees and now reduced to 25 rupees for adults. According to MGS Narayanan, no one has tried to clear the misconception that Vasco da Gama landed at Kapat. The government has even installed a memorial stone at the Kapat beach. Actually, Vasco da Gama landed at Pandalaini near Kollam in Kozhikode district because there was a port there and Kozhikode did not have one. It does not have a port even now. This is the Vasco da Gama Memorial near to Kapat Beach. Vasco da Gama landed here in 1498. We reached Kozhikode now. From here, my sister and nephew Angad joined us. We are in Sarovaram now. Sarovaram Biopark is an eco-friendly park developed near Kotuli in Kozhikode city. The park is situated adjacent to Kanoli Canal. The project has been developed with an eco-friendly theme and is located in an ecosystem consisting of wetlands and mangrove forest containing bird habitats. This park is identified as one of the 27 wetlands of India. There are 7 mangrove species and 29 associated species. This park is habitat of 34 types of birds. The park contains boating facilities, play area, and an open-air theatre. Of late, the park has gained a reputation as a popular hangout of college couples. We are in Sarovaram Biopark. This is situated in Calicut.
We are boating and I am the driver.
We are boating now. This is a pedal boat. It is 250 for 5-seater pedal boat. Now we are going to a very famous restaurant for our lunch. On the beach road in Kozhikode, there is a restaurant with the name Adaminte Chayakada. I am in front of Adaminte Chayakada, Adam's tea shop. So we came here for our lunch. Let's see what all the items are available here. We heard a lot about this restaurant. We thought of just trying today. It is a novel eatery to visit. The vibe is stunning, a retro style one. The entire feeling is radiant. In this restaurant, you will find several varieties of Kozhikode food. The restaurant is popular for its ambience, Sulaimani tea, and several unique dishes with distinct names like കണ്ണുവെച്ച പത്തിരി, ടവർ പത്തിരി, ബീഫ് പൊള്ളിച്ചത്, പൊതിച്ചോറ്, etc. Adam gives an uncommon names for his dishes. പേരിടാത്ത ചിക്കൻ ഫ്രൈ, chicken പൊട്ടിത്തെറിച്ചത്, ബേജാറായ brain fry are some of the dishes. They also offer endless breakfast buffet, which features the Royal Malabar Nasta. ഇപ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ.
പിന്നെ കണ്ണുവെച്ച പത്തിരി, നൈസ് പത്തിരി ഉണ്ട്.
കണ്ണുവെച്ച പത്തിരി
അത് നമ്മുടെ പൂരി ടൈപ്പാണ്, ഗോതമ്പാണ് എണ്ണയിൽ ഫ്രൈ ചെയ്തെടുക്കുന്നത്. കണ്ണുവെച്ച പത്തിരി പിന്നെ ഉള്ള നൈസ് പത്തിരിയാണ്. കണ്ണുവെച്ചത്തിരി കറിയിലാണെങ്കിൽ ബീഫിലാണെങ്കിൽ ബീഫ് കറി ഉണ്ട്, റോസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, ഫ്രൈ ഉണ്ട്. ചിക്കൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ ചില്ലി ചിക്കൻ ഉണ്ട്, പെപ്പർ ചിക്കൻ ഉണ്ട്, ബട്ടർ ചിക്കൻ ഉണ്ട്, ചിക്കൻ റോസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, നോർമൽ ചിക്കൻ മുളക്. ഫിഷിലാണെങ്കിൽ പിങ്ക് ചിക്കൻ ആയിക്കോട്ടെ. അതിൽ മാങ്കത്തിൽ ഉണ്ട്, മുളക് കറി ഉണ്ട്, ചാപ്പൂരി ഉണ്ട്, ഫ്രൈ ഉണ്ട്.
എനിക്കിപ്പോൾ തന്നെ വേണം. ഇപ്പം തന്നെ എടുത്തോളൂ. ഓൾ റൈറ്റ്.
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് സൂപ്പറാ
Delicious.
After having a wonderful lunch, we are heading to the next destination. This church was built in 1856. It combines the European and Kerala style of architecture and was built by the German missionaries. On the right side, the famous Mananjara Square. This is the entrance of Sweetmeat Street, SM Street, from Mananjara side. Locally known as Mithai Thiruvu, is a shopping street located in Kozhikode city. Right side the view of Mananjara. It is a man-made freshwater pond situated in the center of Kozhikode city, spread across 3.49 acres. This is a milk sarbat shop started by Bhaskaran and Kumaran over 60 years ago. Their sons run the shop now. There is no specific name for this shop, but people call it as Bhaskaretanda Kada or Pal Sarbat Kada. They do only one thing, sarbat, and you can get it with milk, sparkling water, or masala. Sarbat is a syrup made from the root of Indian sarsaparilla, locally called nannari. It's perpetually crowded. There is no queue system. You just have to find a way to place your order. Kumari Banana Chips, a famous banana chip shop near to the Milk Sarbat shop and opposite to the Paragon restaurant in Kannur Road. Suju Sridharan runs this shop. It was started by his father Sridharan in 1967. It's named Kumari after Sridharan's late wife. Sridharan was a coolie, a spade worker. He dug ditches and ploughed farms. He wanted to marry Kumari, wife, but needed to be able to provide a better life than what ditch digging could afford. So he started a stall frying and selling bananas. Because he cared about quality and taste, he earned a good reputation, and by word of mouth, his business grew. after Kozhikode city rounds, we are going to drop Chechi and Angad, my sister and nephew. They are staying near to Azhagudi Devi Temple, Tirithiyad. Time is around 5 pm. After dropping them, we continued our journey to Bangalore through beach sides. Time is 6:50 now, passing through Panur town. Time is 9:15 pm. After traveling a long distance, we all tired. Decided to stay here. Zarano Residency in Madathil near Iriti town. Next day morning, we are going to a nearby restaurant for our breakfast. Thank you. We were so tired yesterday after driving long distance. We are going to Bangalore through Kozhikode route. First we went to Kozhikode. From Kozhikode through Kuthuparambur route, we are heading to Bangalore. We stayed yesterday in a hotel near to Iriti. We had a good stay here. We done with our breakfast from nearby restaurant. That was also good. Now we are starting from here. May take around 7 hours to reach Bangalore. Maybe by evening 5:30 we'll be reaching Bangalore. So let's start from here. This is Kottupuzha Bridge, the gateway to the neighbouring state of Karnataka, from Kottupuzha near Iritti in Kannur district. The bridge was built in 1928 to connect Kerala and Karnataka. It has no pillars in the middle. It is located on State Highway 30, Thalassery-Mysore Highway. The bridge is located 60 kilometers northeast of Kannur and 15 kilometers north of Iritti. Kottupuzha, very nice place. This is a river flowing through Mangutta. We stopped here in Mangutta. River name is Kottupuzha. Very nice. This is Perumbadi Lake, located on the border of Kerala in Kodagu. This lake is approximately 8 kilometers away from Virajpet. It is the only lake in the land of valleys and is often visited by wild elephants from Nagargole Reserve Forest who came here in search of food and water. We'll go. We are passing through Gonikappal main road. This is in Coorg. We are in front of Kaveri Polytechnic Gonikappal. Here Shemmi completed her diploma in electronics and communication.
You thought that you would surprise me. You thought that I wouldn't see your little game. I'm so glad you came. So tell me what you gonna do when you're powerless. What you gonna do with your two voices? Now you got me thinking the better yet. I'll tell you what you gotta do. You'll all fall down. Every one of you will hit the ground. There's no way that you could be a hero. Now I'm gonna put it into your lucky streak. Show the world that you're just weak. Looks like what these heroes need is their very own hero. Ha!
ಯಾವ್ದೂರು ಯಾವ್ದೂರು
ಇದು ಅರ್ಕಲಗೋಡಿಂದ 30 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 3
ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೌನ್ ಯಾವುದು?
ಅದೇ ಅರ್ಕಲಗೋಡ.
ಅರ್ಕಲಗೋಡು.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಕಲಗೋಡ.
We are in Chandrayapatna now. Time is 1:40. We stopped here for filling diesel from Bharat Petroleum. Today's diesel rate is 80 rupees 38 paise. The current temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. We filled diesel. We are continuing our journey from here. (2:30) now. We stop for lunch. This is the restaurant we usually stop while passing through this highway. From here it is 97 kilometers to our apartment, Bangalore. So we will have lunch and continue our journey from here. Done with lunch, spent more than an hour. It was a little bit crowded. We are starting from here now. Time is 3:45. പഴന്തമിഴ് പാട്ടിഴയും ശ്രുതിയിൽ പഴയൊരു മണിച്ചിത്രത്താഴിനുള്ളിൽ വെറുതെ നിലവറമായി. We almost reached Bangalore. It is just 39 kilometers from here to our home. It will take an hour from here. We'll reach around 5:30. Now, started the first signal. We are in the first signal. We are about to reach the city. Better to wear mask. Squad will be there. Okay, I'm full set. We are about to reach our home, Bangalore. This is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.
ചിരിക്കുമിരവുകൾ